Stop panicking about your stuck sunroof. Start fixing it with these simple tips. No need for fancy tools or expensive repairs. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your car's battery isn't dead or low. Sometimes a weak battery can stop the sunroof from working. Try starting your car and see if the sunroof moves. Next, look for any obvious blockages. Leaves, dirt, or debris can jam the sunroof tracks. Gently clean around the edges with a soft cloth or a small brush. If nothing's blocking it, try the sunroof switch. Press and hold the open or close button for about 10 seconds. Some cars reset their sunroof this way. Still stuck? Locate your car's owner's manual. Some vehicles have a manual override, usually a small tool or crank hidden near the sunroof controls or inside the overhead panel. Use it to slowly close or open the sunroof. And finally, listen for any strange noises, like grinding or clicking, when you press the button. Odd sounds could mean a bigger problem like a broken motor. That's when it's time to call a professional. Remember, never force the sunroof shut. It could cause more damage. Most stuck sunroofs are an easy fix, but always get help if you're unsure. So the next time your sunroof gets stubborn, try these easy steps before heading to the repair shop.